Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great times, great vibes, let the fun begin. From the shoreline to the open blue, this journey's made for me and you. Great Lakes Ventures, come along for the ride.
Good morning from Wisconsin. It's our third day here, and of course, there's a thunderstorm. But we're not gonna let that stop us. We have a lot of stuff planned for today, and we're just going to take on today as if there was no rain, no storm, no lightning, no thunder. We are going to enjoy our day because guess what? It's our anniversary. So we're gonna enjoy it to the max. All right. So I'm gonna go get some breakfast, see what the day has in store for us. Peace out. After breakfast, it seemed like the rain would never end. But guess what? We decided that nothing is going to stop our anniversary from being the best. So we decided to go out in the rain. We are going to the Timbervati Wildlife Zoo. Then we're headed to the Upper Dells Boat Tour. We're going back to the Lost Cannon Horse Carriage Ride. And we're going to check out some Transformers. This rain will not stop us. Oh.
Yeah? You looking at me?
Zoltar, what would my future be?
It'd be better if his head turned and followed you. That'd
No,
be creepy.
he's not following.
No. Zoltar.
Okay, let's go.
I see you.
Oh, these are cute.
Pandas.
All animals.
We went through there and we came here. So he must have dropped them outside or he dropped them in here.
I mean, it's very.
Do you see them?
When I jump outside, it's very windy. Okay, so if you want to go in the zoo, you just use the stick boat over there because they see you. So.
During your training, Daniel. Okay, 10-4. Let me know if he comes out.
Say hoo-ha. What do you have
Might as well
here?
take us around a couple times if nobody's here. Might as well just drive us around a bunch. Here we go.
Train.
We're at this little zoo in the middle of town.
Yeah, it's called Timbervati.
Timbervati.
Yeah, and we're going.
Giraffes, they got llamas, they got sloths.
And we're gonna feed them
Yeah.
with
We got some carrots.
carrots. Yeah.
Who doesn't like carrots?
Right?
It's your phone.
Ready?
Engine number 9. The train will be departing in just a few moments.
What's that? Oh, little kangaroos.
Oh yeah. Look at those little kangaroo.
There's like one crossing over there.
Hey.
No more. Say no.
Hey. Hi. How are you? What are you called?
Cool.
Oh yeah, look at this one with the orange. Let me give him one. Okay, you can. Oh, this one is
No.
coming over.
No, here we go.
He's like, feed me, feed me. Oh, he's coming on,
Yeah.
honey. He's coming right up.
He wants the whole thing.
Hiya.
You may get off at this time and feed the giraffe camels. We ask that you return to
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna stop a couple minutes here. You can get out the chair. You can see giraffe, camels, and turtles.
Okay. Oh, he's just stuck over there.
And a little shake.
Give me one. Are you gonna leave some for like the camel?
Is there anything else to feed, or can we just give them all? Oh. Okay, guys, ready? Yeah. You ready? You want to feed them one more?
Wait,
Here.
let me take a picture. Let me take a... Oh god. This is so cool.
Where'd you ask? There's more in there. I just seen another one. Something about bears?
Oh. Maybe it's the machine against the door. Ooh, it's cold in here. Look at that tree.
Yeah.
These Legos.
Okay, 2 of the 3 were about
We're not chocolate lovers. I'm gonna try this. It's chocolate covered pretzels.
Oh, that's not a stand, is it?
I don't know why it went like that. It went nuts as you shaking the table.
Probably salty, isn't it?
Not that much.
Right there's a Buckeye. One of my favorites.
You should try it.
You should try one.
You should try it.
I will.
This is coconut pretzel.
Yeah, it's good.
It is good. Oh wow, look at this. By the time we were ready to do our boat tour, the rain had stopped. How awesome is that? Now we can enjoy our tour.
The palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue, grill.
Drink that water. You're naturally ground and rock.
That is the Chula Vista.
Oh, that's cool.
Now, Chula Vista roughly translated means beautiful
Drink that
view,
water,
and I think
sure.
as we exit Lover's Lane, you can all agree it is quite the beautiful view. Now, it was not always like that. If you could imagine, back in the 1910s, we were surrounded by a lot of hotels, other attractions, boat docks, and the like. Now, this all changed with one man, George Crandall. Now, George Crandall firmly believed that no one is the Dells. And so in the 1920s, he began the process to acquire all the land around here. During the Great Depression, he even acquired some of that acreage for as little as $1 an acre. Now,
Like, holy cow, I gotta build a ramp through these rocks. Cut right through the canyon. Creek's underneath the waterfall going on. Okay. Sounds like
Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, losing take of the clock. Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Life to the ocean, out the plane. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Late night lights,
warmer through here and over.
Oh, there's actually a seat there.
Oh, it's both gone.
Is also significant. Oral histories tell us that at various times, at least 3 different Native American tribes have held that bluff to be sacred. There were the Meskwaki, who came to know them as the Fox tribe. And for hundreds upon hundreds of years, this right shoreline here was territory to the Menominee tribe. And during that same time frame, the left shoreline was inhabited by the Ho-Chunk or Ho-Chungra peoples. They still live in the area. We grew up knowing them as the Winnebago tribe. However, Winnebago is not a name they gave themselves. It was actually a derogatory name given them by a rival tribe. Translated, Winnebago means people of the stinky waters or stinky fish eaters. So of course,
Yeah.
alright, we're ready.
Yes. Doggy's like, woo!
Oh, you can't get that. You gotta be really good. catch that.
That was a very awesome tour. I could not show all the footage, but guess what, guys? Don't worry. I am going to make an individual video for all these tours. So the Timbavati Zoo, the Upper Dells Boat Tour, and the Lost Cannon Horse Carriage Ride. Okay, guys, don't worry about that. These are just snippets of what we did on our anniversary. So stay tuned for those videos. So right now, we're going to purchase our ticket. We didn't get to do it yesterday, so we're going to do it today. And yeah, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, guys.
I see all this sandstone out here. It's actually called Cambrian sandstone. It's pretty rare. It's only found in 4 places in the entire world. Right here in Wisconsin Dells, upstate New York, Germany, and Switzerland. Now, you will see it along the Wisconsin River. You see the duck tours or the upper Lord Elk boat tours. Yep. I see this water coming through here. We only got about an inch of rain or so. Now we get a couple more inches of rain. It would have been about 3 or 4 feet out here in the water. So that does happen. We have to shut down, let the water go back down again. It all goes through the canyon that way, goes underneath Canyon Road right in the Lake Dells. Wow. I guess on the tour, I'd like to point out a couple rock formations that we see.
This is where I'm going to close out this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to grab some dinner at this Chinese restaurant because we love Chinese food. And then we are going to end the night at Baskin Robbins, and that is like right next to our hotel. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Good.
You guys have a wonderful day.
Thanks.
Did he finally come up?
Yeah.
That's a real deal Sunday right there. This place is cool.